Hiya Toots, welcome back to the channel. Today I thought I'd do a clean with me / decorate with me for fall / Thanksgiving. That's a really long title, but anyways, I am just vacuuming up my little area rug here. I have a dog, I have 2 kids. This section of my house gets crusty, dusty, and busted, okay? So I often have to vacuum up this area. Speaking of crusty, dusty, and busted, if you have kids and or pets, you know how disgusting couch cushions get, like in between couch cushions, under couch cushions, all of that nastiness. You know it's disgusting. So here I am just vacuuming in between my couch cushions, and I'll be vacuuming my couch to send the filth back from whence it came. So now I'm just rearranging the cushions. I really want to get throw pillows from my couch, and I just never have because my couch is not that cute, because I need something functional, not fancy, because I have little children and a pet. Anyway, here I'm showing the 2 cleaning solutions that I'm going to be using to really get sanitized and clean up in here. The first one that I'm using, as you can see I'm scrubbing into the couches, is a pet stain and odor remover. I don't really let Willow get up on the couches. Really, the couch is stained because of my daughters, but this works good anyway, and I really like the way it cleans everything, so I use it just to clean my couches and my carpet. Second cleaning solution I was telling you about is this disinfecting spray. As you can see, it kills the cold, the flu, strep throat, and with everything that's going on, and with kids just being nasty and dirty all the time, not washing their hands unless you tell them to. You know what I'm saying, you know what's going on in this world. I'm just trying to prevent anything extra. You know what I mean? We're just gonna spray everything down. I would burn it, but then I wouldn't have anywhere to live. So this is the next best thing. So I'm just folding up this throw blanket that I usually keep on my sofa, but since the sofa is drying, I'm just gonna place it here on my little rocking chair until the couch is dry. Now it's time to clean the carpets with that same solution that I used on the couch. I'm sorry for the unfortunate angles. I told you, we're just going to spray everything down. Take no chances. So now we're just getting my mantle ready to decorate. I don't have all my decoration pieces in yet. I ordered a bunch of stuff from Amazon that I'm waiting for to come. I can't speak English now. I'm just waiting for it to come in. But I'm lighting some beautiful pumpkin fall scented candles because why not? Puts me in the mood. But I am going to use what I have right now. As you can see, I am going back and forth with arranging my picture frames and my candles. And then I have these little velvet pumpkins that are in different shades of pink and white. I ended up not putting them on my mantle, and I will show you in a second what I ended up doing on the mantle and where I put the pumpkins. But in the end, this wasn't the final layout. I'm just playing around with like my layout right now, seeing what looks good. So I found this extra panel of drapery that I had ordered from my daughter's bedroom when I first moved in here. And we never needed it, and I haven't used it for anything else, so I just folded it. I should have ironed it, but I was too lazy. So I just folded it and put it over my radiator. I messed with a couple of books to see what looked good. I think I'm gonna go to the Dollar Tree and pick up some books just for decoration. I think this layout needs more than one book, but for now this will do. And as you can see, this is what I did with my velvet pumpkins. I thought it looked better here. Oh, and I also put those votives next to that faux flower arrangement. Ella found a pink ribbon that she wanted to add to this arrangement, and I am putting some faux candles into the votives. Here I have some, I don't even know what to call these, but they're just like different size pink leaves and glittery gold pumpkins. And I have these little white branchy trees. They actually light up, but I have to put batteries in them. And what I'm doing is I'm putting tape on the back of these little pieces, and I'm just sticking them onto my white branchy trees. So here, Big Sister came through with some snacks for her little sister. How cute. And we're just keeping on, sticking on stuff until we get an arrangement that looks good. She's going to start helping with the sticking on of things. I call this next segment What It's Like to Live with Ella. hope you've enjoyed that intermission. Now, it's time to get back to work. So I'm just putting away all of Ella's school stuff that we left out earlier this morning. Things back where they belong. I'll be going back and forth, putting garbage with the garbage, boxes where they go, etc., etc. To keep a plastic grocery bag nearby when I'm cleaning, because I know I'm always going to find stuff to throw away. Here I'm just watering my plant with some ice. I know it sounds weird, but that was the directions. And then I am just cleaning off my dining room table. Solitaire plant back where it belongs. And now it is time to organize my coat hanger section area. I don't know why I found dirty socks. That was definitely Ella. I am going to minimize this area, only 2 jackets each person. I'm just putting my purse somewhere else, taking down stuff, making sure we only have 2 jackets each. Kira keeps her own jackets in her own room, so really just me and Ella, and then an extra hook if Kira or somebody else wants to hang up their jacket. I'm also putting up our scullies and rearranging our shoes, and yeah, just making it look better than the hot mess that it was before. It's finally time to sweep and mop, and we are done. This is what the house looks like after a bit of cleaning and a little bit of decorating. Like I said, I have some more decorations coming in, and I'll probably show you guys how it came out in one of my future videos before Thanksgiving or something like that. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you end up subscribing if you're not already. Hit that like button, and you can hit the dislike button if you don't like it. I really don't care, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.